Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to n8n so you can automate alerts, signals, or chart analysis without any confusion. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your n8n account. This is where all your automation workflows will live. Step 2. Install the TradingView n8n Chrome extension. Just search for n8n TradingView extension on Google and open the link from n8n.io. Once you're on the page, click Use for free and choose Copy Template to Clipboard or get started for free if you're using n8n Cloud. You'll be redirected to a setup page. Create a new OpenAI credential and enter your API key, organization ID, base URL, and the HTTP request domain. Hit save and continue. Inside n8n, create a workflow and set up a webhook node. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the Chrome extension so it knows where to send your TradingView screenshots. Still in n8n, open your OpenAI node and add your API key. Here you can also adjust the prompt or model settings if you want more customized chart analysis. Now open TradingView, load any chart, and open the Chrome extension. Click send and instantly your screenshot will be pushed to n8n. The workflow will run, analyze your chart using AI, and send back clean, easy to read insights. And that's it, you now have TradingView connected to n8n. Perfect for automated signals, alerts, notifications, or running trading bots without doing anything manually.